Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Forever 21 credit card account online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Forever 21 credit card, open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the search box at the top and type in Forever 21 credit card login and press enter. You'll find yourself in the search result on the next page. Click on the search result where it says Forever 21 credit card dash Bread Financial. This will take you to this page. Simply click on the sign in button at the top of the screen and you'll be able to see the login area from where you can log into your account in the right hand side. Enter your username in the first text box and head over to the password field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link or the eye icon. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, click remember me, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click forgot username/password and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After typing in your credential correct, click the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Forever 21 credit card account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.